Hello friends, welcome to this video. Now in this video we'll be discussing the 3D column chart and the bar chart. So this is the last chart in this column and bar chart series. So let us see that how we can create the 3D column chart and the 3D bar chart. So before I show you how to create those two charts, let us see what is this 3D column chart. Here it says that Excel offers several 3D column chart types which display data using columns with depth, giving a three-dimensional appearance. So basically, as the name suggests, that it is a 3D chart, so it is showing you the chart in a three-dimensional way. These charts are usually attractive but are mostly used for presentation rather than precise analysis. So it is just for the presentation purpose because it looks good, but whenever you want to do the real data analysis, then this is not preferred by the data analyst. These main types include 3D column chart, 3D stake column chart, 3D 100% stake column chart, and 3D column which is having the perspective or depth. So in the 3D column chart, it's just like our normal clustered column chart, but here we are seeing the chart in a three-dimensional manner. So here it says when you want to display the category comparisons in a more visually appealing way, then you use this 3D column chart. It is for presentations where aesthetics matter more than precision. When you want to make it beautiful, then you use this particular chart. It is visually attractive, good for making simple comparisons look more engaging. But the problem with this chart is this, that it is hard to read the precise values because the 3D angle distorts height. So that we'll see further when we'll create the chart, that how it is creating a problem when we want to see the values properly. Not ideal for detailed analysis. So we have talked about this normal 3D column chart. Then we have similarly the 3D stake column charts, just like your normal stake column chart, but in a three-dimensional manner. So almost the things are same. Then we have the 3D 100% stake column chart, where here we are seeing the percentage contribution of each of the subcategories or categories. The things are same, just like our normal 100% stake column chart. So let us see here that how we can create this 3D column chart and bar chart. So here I'm already having the data, that is we are having the months and the three products. So let me select this whole table. I go to the insert tab. In the insert tab I click this button here, and now we are having here the 3D column chart. So this is 3D clustered column chart, then this is 3D stake column chart, this is 3D 100% stake column chart, and this is the 3D column chart which is having the depth and those things. These are all the column charts here, 3D column charts, and then similarly we have the 3D clustered bar chart, 3D stake bar chart, and 3D 100% stake bar chart. So suppose if I select this one, this is 3D clustered column chart, or we can also go for this one, let's say 3D stake column chart. So see here, you can see that the chart looks very good, but if I want to know without putting my pointer over here that what is the contribution of this product C in this January month, then it is very difficult to get that numbers here. Definitely when I put my pointer here, then I can see in the tooltip that the value is 50. For the product B, it is value is 80. But as such, this three-dimensional is creating some problem. But for presentation purpose, this is a good chart. So this is how you can create a various types of 3D column chart and the bar chart. So please play with it whenever you have some time. And this is very interesting chart. So now in the next video, I'll be talking about how to create a pie chart. So then in the upcoming videos, we'll be talking about what is pie chart, donut chart, tree map, and then we'll be talking about the different kind of line chart. So see you then in the next video. Thank you very much.